In a peaceful kingdom surrounded by mountains and rivers, there was a kind and wise king named Mahastava. Everyone loved him because he took care of his people. One day, King Mahastava decided to walk in the lush forest near his kingdom. Walking deeper into forest, he saw something that made him very sad. A tigress was lying weak and starving on the ground with her cubs. Mahasattva felt terrible for the tigress and her cubs. He knelt beside her, gently touching her fur. He knew that if the tigress didn't eat soon, she and her cubs would die. The king felt torn, knowing he had to help but also understanding the delicate balance of nature. As he thought about what to do, the teacher of Buddha came to his mind, lessons of compassion and selflessness. Mahatma realized that genuine compassion sometimes required great personal sacrifice. He knew what to do, even though it was a hard decision. After a moment of silence, Mahatma made his choice. He offered himself as food for the starving tigress and her cubs. He laid down before the tigress with a calm heart, closed his eyes, and prayed for them. At first, the tigress was too weak to react, but eventually, driven by the need to survive and feed her cubs, she began to eat. Mahasattva's sacrifice gave them the strength to live. News of the king's extraordinary sacrifice spread throughout the kingdom. The people were deeply moved and saddened by the loss of their beloved ruler. Inspired by his compassion, they decided to honor his memory by living with the same kindness and selflessness he had shown. His legacy became a guiding light for his people, influencing their action and for generations. The story of Mahasattva teaches us the profound impact of selfless compassion. True greatness lies in our ability to care for others, even at a personal cost. Mahasattva's story is a timeless example of love and empathy in a world prioritizing self-interest. Reflecting on this tale, we can find inspiration to practice kindness and compassion daily. Every act of generosity, no matter how small, can make a meaningful difference. By embracing the spirit of Mahasattva's sacrifice, we can create a more compassionate and harmonious world. If this story touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe for more tales of wisdom and inspiration. Comment below and let me know how this story impacted you. Remember, the most incredible acts of kindness come from the heart. Until next time, you may find peace and clear your path.